What's up, unicorns? Today we're making apple enchilada dessert. I actually found the recipe from allrecipes.com. The link is in the description below. Go ahead if you guys want to make this as well. The full recipe is on there and it tells you everything you need, all the ingredients, all the sizes of everything. It's great. So first we're going to preheat our ovens to 350 degrees. Next, we are going to lightly grease our 8x8 inch pan. Now we're getting our tortillas. Make sure when you guys get your tortillas, they are the 8-inch tortillas. And you only need 6 of them, but they usually come in like a 10 count, so we need 6 of these. So I'm going to count them out with you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our tortillas and our fruit. We're going to spoon the fruit evenly into the tortillas, roll them up, and then put them in our pan. Alright. We are spooning everything in there. Alright, so before we roll them up, it did tell us to put some ground cinnamon on top. So I'm just going to be as messy as I want to be with these right now. Because why not? It's dessert, it's supposed to be fun. As long as the end product looks nice. Alright, so we're going to roll them up. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spread them out a little bit. Now roll. Make sure you're putting the seam side down when you put it in the pan, like regular enchiladas, which we will also be making eventually. Alright, so we got our enchiladas in. We have our enchiladas in the pan. Look at that. Bam, bam. They look all pretty. So now what we're going to do is make our sauce. Alright, now for this next part, we need 1/3 cup of butter or margarine. It says margarine, but I use butter. There is a difference. Alright, we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. Alright, now we're pouring the sugar in. We also need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar in. And water. Alright, we're supposed to bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. So we will be back once this is all good to go. Alright guys, we are boiling. Alright. So now that it's boiling and we've been stirring, making sure that everything is nice and mixed, take it off the burner, turn your burner off. I'm going to let it stop bubbling for just a moment. We're going to pour it over our tortillas. There we go. So now we're going to also sprinkle, because I chose to, with extra cinnamon. You don't have to do this. I am choosing to because why not? So alright, and we're going to place it in our oven for 20 minutes. Alright guys, I am putting on my oven mitts. It is time to take these out of the oven and see what happened. They smell so good. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is our finished product. We will see what everybody thinks as well. They look so good though. Oh my goodness. The whole house smells like apples and cinnamon. Alright, here's our taste tester.
Mmm. Oh, really good.
Yeah? You like it?
How much more is there in the kitchen?
A whole pan full?
Yeah, we ran it up, yeah.
Rocking his emo's not dead shirt. Alright guys, that's it for our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please share all the videos. See you guys next time.